Alrighty guys, C2113 here, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Vocal Beat pop filter screen for the Blue Yeti USB microphone. Alrighty guys, so as you may or may not know, I recently switched over to using a Blue Yeti for all of my voiceover work. However, like with any microphone, inevitably when you're talking, the consonant sounds and just general breathing in general will cause harsh pickups or pops in the recording. And that's what you aim to eliminate by using a pop filter. However, most pop filters are a screen that needs to be clipped to the microphone with a extendable arm that then holds the screen in front of the microphone. However, for my purposes, it just wasn't as elegant, and someone that's not doing hyper professional audio, I wanted something that was sort of both a protection for the microphone screen itself and also a pop filter. And although it won't perform as perfectly as a 100% dedicated pop filter, in my situation, it'll do perfectly fine. Because again, I'm not usually talking super close to the microphone, and so again, it's not necessarily a big issue. So this thing only costs $13, and it's designed to fit over the head of the Yeti and several other big-headed USB microphones. And the great thing about this is it slips directly onto the microphone, so there's no arm and alignment to deal with and any fastening position of any external screen. And of course, you can get it in multiple colors, including blue, red, and yellow. So if you want to add a little flair to your microphone, that works too. Now I wanted something, more reserved, so I just went with black, but the option is there. Again, link will be in the description for this thing, but it's pretty straightforward. Just slip it on. Now it's actually pretty tight. It's a good thing that it's tight, by the way, guys, because again, that means it's not going to shift around. Alright guys, there it is. And honestly, I could get this on a little better probably, but I don't think it looks half bad. And I think, to me, it's a much more complete package, especially if I want to travel or take the microphone with me. I can still, fold the microphone up with the filter on. It still fits, and I'm ready to go. As soon as I get to where I need to be, I just undo this, and then I flip the microphone back out into position, and I'm ready to go. My pop filter's already on there. In the next segment, you'll hear recordings with and without the pop filter, so hopefully you can hear the difference. This is a speech audio test without the pop filter installed. This is a speech audio test with the pop filter installed. Anyway, guys, if you enjoyed the video, leave me a like. If you have any questions or comments, you know what to do. Leave them below. And if you want to see more, get subscribed.